Hi there, welcome back. So if you have a van like this one, guys, it's a Ram 1500 or any other vehicle with the quick release wiper blades, a wiper arm on it like this one, guys. So this piece is what they use to release it. So what happened now, the customer say he keep after replacing these arm often because inside of the groove here there are some splines that fit on here. So what happened, they got damaged, so he keep spinning around and won't stay in this right position, guys. So what I do, I drill a hole in here and drill a hole go all the way down, and I get a screw. So you're gonna use a screw to fix it, guys, just like that, guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put some silicone inside the hole and screw this in here so it stays still. I may have to pause the video and do it, guys, but I'll show you what's going on. Alright, guys, so make sure when doing this stuff, you make sure we wear safety goggles, guys, because you never know when something may fly and can get in the eyes, guys. So safety first. So I put the screw in here with some silicone, so I'm going to screw it down. Alright, guys, so that's it. And another thing, so if you don't want this piece to be that bulge up, you can just use an angle grinder and cut this end off if you wish to do so, or you want to leave it like that, or if you want to use a screw, a smaller screw, that will work as well, guys. So I'm just giving you an idea, guys, what you can do if you have any same issue where your arm keep coming apart after the chuck. See that there, guys. So I hope this video helped you all out there. So if you find this useful, guys, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you.